good, YouTube? This your boy. Fuck. J Diggy 92 coming at y'all with, as y'all can see, another unboxing. Alright, so look, we got this package here, by the way, of Sneakersteal. I forgot exactly where I got it from, because it's been a minute, like I know, been backed up on the vids or whatever, and so I'm trying to just play catch up as we speak. So we're gonna get straight into this. No delays, no long-winded speeches. I'm gonna get to the point, like y'all been saying and shit. I have a lot to say about that shit, but I'm just gonna shut the fuck up. But yeah, man, like I said, this one is by way of Sneakersteal, and usually I wouldn't get a shoe like this, but I'm gonna keep it a buck. Shout out to the homie Jay Adams on IG. That nigga support where it feel like he support everything I do. So I just want to send a special shout out to you, my guy, because it's motivational as fuck, and I definitely appreciate it. So shout out to you, Jay Adams. Follow him. I think his SoundCloud link is in his IG description. Fire music as well. I'm not just saying that because he's a supporter. I'm saying that because I actually like it. So yeah, shout out to the homie Jay Adams for that. But yeah, because of him, this year on the channel, y'all gonna be seeing a lot more different shit. I'm not trying to be the same shit. He called me versatile, and I appreciate that. And so, in that appreciation, I'm buying any and everything. If I even remotely like it this year, I am buying it. So, just be prepared to see all types of shit on this channel. Shouts out to Jay Adams for this one. But yeah, I got this package right here from Jimmy Jazz. Just looking at this receipt, that's where I got it from. So shouts out to Jimmy Jazz, by the way, of Sneakersteal. So y'all can see we got a Nike box. Don't need that box no more, even though it didn't slide out the frame. I don't know the last time we seen a Nike box on this channel. Oh, we actually just seen one. The damn Zoom Fly SPs or whatever. But yeah, look. So I never seen these. I've seen these, but I didn't pay attention to them because I'm gonna keep it honest. Well, I'll pull the shoe out and explain why I never paid attention to them. So y'all ready? We gonna be surprised together. So look, 3, 2, 1. These shit's orange as fuck. Your creamsicle jump. It ain't bad though. So this is the Vandal High Supreme Dead Stop. No smell. This is so disappointing that shoes don't have smells like that. Like, if it ain't like a Jordan number jump, it don't have a smell, and I'm high key upset. But I even think this shoe kind of nice. Some different materials going on right here. It's more of a, it's not mesh, it's like squishy as fuck. What the hell? Y'all know I do the official review, but this is just the unboxing, so I could be as ignorant as I want, for real. So this, like, I don't know what you would call it. It's like the shit coats be made out of. Like, not the bubble shit, like the shit that, like, when rain get on it, it gets soggy as hell. Y'all should know what I'm talking about. But the colorway is vintage coral white and white. Nigga, this shit ain't vintage coral. This bitch is orange. I don't wear that much orange, so these might be a giveaway. But I'm gonna try them out. Just to see how I like them and put them on feet. To see if I fuck with it. I fuck with the materials. It's just the colorway might be a little too bright for me. Hello? Hello? I ain't get no answer. I guess he ain't have reception. So yeah, but nah, look, man. These are the Vandal High Supremes boxing. Shout out to Jimmy Jazz, them homies at Sneakersteals. For this one, wouldn't be possible if not for them. I kind of want to see how I would finesse these, because at this point, I really don't even know. I'm thinking like maybe wear them like I wear my Air Force Highs, where it's the strap in the back. Then again, I don't fucking know, because I've never owned any of these, so I don't know. Whatever looks the best is what I'm gonna go with. So, like I said, this might be a giveaway if I don't fuck with it. So just stay tuned. I would say it in the official review if these are a giveaway. So just be on the lookout. Yeah, just stay hip to the channel, and we'll go from there. But yeah, man, I don't want to talk too long. I got some more like reviews to record and some more shit to record tonight. So it's gonna be a very, very long night for God. But yeah, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and that like button for me. If you don't mind, I would greatly appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you can join the motherfucking God Squad. They already know we the best squad on YouTube. Go YouTube, motherfucker, all that good shit. You want to follow me on anything, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snaps, and Snapchat. All of that at JDiggy92. Shout out to the gaming channel, Savage God Gaming, as well as the art page from Nest God Masterpieces. Go cop out some dope art. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. I think that's all I had to say. And yeah, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all.